Alright, so let's talk about arbitrary exercise of power, slash otherwise called random exercise of power. Now remember, like I said in one of the videos previously, that every single person in Jamaica lawfully here has a constitutional right to protection from arbitrary exercise of power by any single public official, inclusive of members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Without protection from arbitrary exercise of power, what we exist in is a slavery state. I don't know which one of you will disagree with that. So, if any single public official had the power to just do what they like when they like, for example, the classical vehicles. You see vehicle coming, just decides to stop the one day randomly, arbitrarily. Then without no reasonable reason. Remember, this is not with slavery abolished for over 400 years ago. If a police officer had the power to just stop anything he likes, then anything he likes, when he likes, for no reason other than him feel like him want to do it, where will the equality before the law be? Yep. Where will the equitable and humane treatment by a public official be, as guaranteed by the Constitution? Yeah. Remember, everybody has the second paragraph in the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom speak to the fact that every single citizen or person has the right to protect for themselves and their future generation their fundamental rights and freedom, guaranteed by virtue of their dignity, inherent dignity. Now, where is the dignity in a situation when an officer just stop you and just say, "Whoop me a trunk, start search your vehicle," stop, for no reasonable reason? Just decide saying want to search you, your person, and your property for no reason. Where is the inner dignity? Where is it? It is undignified. It's shameful. It's embarrassing for somebody to see you on the road as a pass. If you see you a pass and the police are dig you up. It is embarrassing. And members of the constabulary force who don't understand that, and people who are sitting down and sympathizing who don't understand. I know I'm not angry, I'm just expressive. And this is embarrassing when you know to God be the glory, so nothing wrong with you, don't do nothing, and you don't have nothing. And there it is, police are dig you up and people are passed. It's embarrassing. I have a video, you know. I had promised a particular superintendent that I will not post that one. But it's embarrassing. And I might very well post it with an officer. It was embarrassing. And it still remains embarrassing to this very minute. Because I have a right to protect for myself and my future generation. Yes, me pick them. My fundamental rights that I have as a result of my inherent dignity as a human. Where is the dignity when officers want to just randomly stop you and start searching? Where is the dignity in that? It is dehumanizing when you know say you not do nothing. And it's worse when the officer never have no proper information. Police just believe that they can just get up and say, "Oh, I got information that a vehicle this, that. That is not enough. If any of you know what reasonable or probable cause really mean, or what reasonable suspicion is, and has been interpreted by the courts over and over again, you'd understand that it has a lot to do with what a logically thinking person who will know the information that the officer had, who had the information that the officer had, and know the law, would think that perhaps a crime has been committed or is about to be committed. Reasonable suspicion is necessary to prevent arbitrary exercise of power. Reasonableness is important, is imperative. Nobody can point out one case law, in other words the common law, that will speak to the fact that, to any fact that the officer don't need reasonable or probable cause or reasonable suspicion, reasonable whatever, to be able to exert any power towards a person. Without that reasonableness, there is just pure randomness, and everybody has the right to protection from arbitrary exercise of power. That is a constitutional guarantee. There's no written law that says otherwise, and the common law says so, and the Constitution says so. So officers, do please conduct yourselves in accordance with the procedures, because in the next video we'll speak about the judicial review and the consequence, why it is that I insist that you conduct yourselves in accordance with the law, because your actions, we'll speak about them in the next video, will and can have consequence for the legality of your actions. Until next time.